Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Safety in Your Vehicle session part 1 on the theory test mock Q&A. Let's get started. Question 1. If your tyres are underinflated, which two would be badly affected? A. Clutch, B. The braking, C. Gear changing, D. Steering. It is really important to keep your tyres correctly inflated. If they don't have enough air in them, this can cause your braking and steering to be affected. You should also make sure that you check your tyres for any defects, have sufficient tread depth and are free from damage such as punctures, rips and tears. You should check them regularly. Question 2. When is it okay to use your horn? A. Between 7 AM and 11:30 PM, B. At midnight, C. When someone annoys you, D. When another vehicle poses a danger, E. 4 AM, F. 6 AM. You should only ever use your horn between 7 AM and 11:30 PM. After this time, night noise pollution laws kick in. However, unless there is a real major risk of danger, then a horn may be needed. Question 3. What is the main benefit of a red route in major cities? A. It improves traffic flow. B. It increases speed limits. C. It gives priority to large vehicles. D. It increases parking opportunities. Red routes in major cities are to benefit and improve traffic flow. Inconsiderate parking can lead to closed lanes, blockages and unnecessary build-up of traffic, which in turn causes traffic jams in busy areas. Red routes are designed to improve traffic flow. Question 4. What is the primary benefit of road humps, chicanes and narrowings? A. To improve traffic flow at roadworks. B. To divert pedestrians to crossings. C. Traffic calming measures. D. To improve one-way systems. Road humps, chicanes and narrowings are traffic calming measures, all in which help to reduce traffic speed in congested areas, particularly where children and pedestrians are nearby. Pedestrians are more likely to survive at 20 miles an hour than at 40 miles an hour if they were to be knocked over. Question 5. What does a catalytic converter help reduce? A. Wear and tear on brakes. B. Toxic exhaust emissions. C. Engine speed. D. Maintenance costs. Catalytic converters are designed to reduce toxic emissions. They work best when the engine has reached its normal working temperature. Question 6. When is it best to check tyre pressures? A. After a long journey. B. Once a month. C. When the tyres are cold. D. When the tyres are hot. You should always check your tyre pressures when the tyres are cold and at the start of a journey. Question 7. How can you reduce high fuel consumption? A. Brake smoothly and accelerate gently. B. Sit in a higher gear for longer periods of time. C. Steer briskly. D. Rev your engine. Braking and accelerating smoothly will help you to reduce your fuel consumption. This will also help reduce wear and tear and improve the environment. Question 8. Which liquid should you use to top up the battery fluid level of your car? A. Brake fluid. B. Engine oil. C. Distilled water. D. Battery acid. You should use distilled water to top up the fluid level of your car. Question 9. When should you use parking lights at night? A. When the speed limit exceeds 30 miles an hour. B. When you're parked facing oncoming traffic. C. When you are parked by a police station. D. When you are parked in a 30-mile-an-hour road. When parking at night, always park in the direction of traffic. You should never park facing the traffic. This will enable other vehicles to see the reflectors on the back of your car. If the speed limit is above 30 miles an hour, use your parking lights. Question 10. Which three of the following can cause excessive or uneven tyre wear? A. Wheel alignments. B. Gearbox. C. Clutch. D. Suspension. E. Accelerator. F. Braking system. You should get your car serviced regularly, which in turn can detect faults in your car early on, before they become more serious. Excessive or uneven tyre wear are caused by either the braking system, wheel alignment, or the suspension. Question 11. Your battery needs topping up with distilled water. What level should you top it up to? A. Below the cell plates. B. Above the cell plates. C. To the top. D. Just above the bottom. Some modern cars are maintenance free, but if you do need to top up the levels, make sure you cover the cell plates with distilled water. Question 12. In what ways do motor vehicles cause harm to the environment? A. Air pollution. B. Less carbon emissions. C. Using up natural resources. D. Increased damage to buildings. E. Improved medical services. F. Increased road safety. Exhaust emissions harm people's health. Vibration from heavy traffic volumes can cause damage to buildings. Petrol and diesel cars both come from non-renewable resources. All reductions can improve the environment we all live in. Question 13. When planning a journey, why is it a good idea to avoid busy times? A. Your journey will be less stressful. B. Your journey time will be increased. C. There will be more congestion. D. You can enjoy the scenic route. Always avoid driving in busy times. Nobody likes to sit in traffic jams. You should always anticipate parked cars, school runs and peak driving times. Question 14. Quick acceleration and harsh braking can cause A. Increased fuel consumption. B. Better engine wear. C. Less wear and tear on the brakes. D. Less pollution. Increased fuel consumption. Using the controls of the car smoothly can save you up to a whopping 15% of your fuel bill and will save wear and tear on your car. If you plan ahead and use your gears, brakes and accelerator wisely, planning your journey and anticipating the actions of others will allow you to operate and drive smoothly. Question 15. Transport produces what percentage of all emissions? A. 10%. B. 20%. C. 30%. D. 50%. Transport produces 20% of all emissions. In heavily populated areas, traffic is the biggest source of air pollution. Eco-safe driving can make a large difference to local air quality. Question 16. Which engine fluid, if allowed to get too low, could cause you to crash? A. Brake fluid. B. Engine oil. C. power steering, D, battery acid. Your brakes are the lifeline of your safety. Always check the level of your brake fluid to ensure efficient levels of brake fluid are there. If too low, air could enter the hydraulic system and lead to loss of braking efficiency or complete braking failure. Question 17. What is the main cause of brake fade? A. Worn brake discs. B. Worn brake plates. C. Brakes overheating. D. Air in the brake fluid. If your vehicle comes with drum brakes, they can become hot and lose efficiency. When you drive continually on a long steep hill, this can cause them to overheat. Using a lower gear when travelling downhill will assist your car's speed control and engine braking, meaning that you have more control of your car. Question 18. Whilst driving, this image comes on your dashboard. It means A. Engine oil is low. B. Seatbelt is not connected. C. Airbag has a fault. D. Anti-lock brake system has a fault. It means anti-lock braking system has a fault. Do not ignore this warning, and you should not drive unless you have a professional mechanic assess the vehicle. Question 19. If your anti-lock brakes warning lights comes on, you should A. Consult your car's handbook. B. Get your brakes checked immediately. C. Top up your brake fluid. D. Check and release the parking brake. Get your brakes checked immediately. Question 20. A fitted roof rack to your vehicle will A. Increase fuel consumption. B. Improve road handling. C. Increase your car's speed. D. Reduce fuel consumption. A fitted roof rack will increase fuel consumption. You should always make sure it is fitted securely, and you should avoid overloading it. If you purchase an aerodynamically designed roof box, this will reduce wind resistance and will reduce your fuel bill. That's the end of this mock test on safety in your vehicle part 1. We do have 2 other videos, so be sure to check them out at the end of this video. If you'd like to leave a comment, please leave it in the comment section below this video. We welcome any feedback, and if you have any suggestions, we would love to hear from you. Speak to you soon and see you on the next video. Bye for now.